Good this camera takes. It's such a good camera. Freaking beautiful. I want to see a fish jump. Jump.
Oh, there's a big one. Right there, honey. Right across. Straight across the lake.
I know, but I can't see him with this camera.
He came up close to the top. Or she did. Poor babies. Oh, right here. Honey, right in front of you.
I know. Oh my goodness. Huges.
Nice poor guys. You know, they fight all the way to come all the way back up here just to go. They only live 4 years, that's it.
Look how big those bastards are. It's like giant sea lions or something in here. Oh, neatos. Anyhow, that was neat. This is my gold spot right here. This is where I get my gold. This. Look at that guy right there just floating along.
Yeah.
Just flop, flop,
There's
flop.
one trying to get up over there. A couple of them laying their eggs.
They're laying eggs right here.
Sad.
Straight.
Oh, right behind you. My God. Right
Where?
behind you. Right there.
Where?
At the metal thing.
Where?
A fish. Just one.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right at the edge of the metal thing.
What are you talking about? There's one right there?
No.
I mean, there's one right there
here,
too.
At your feet.
Where?
It just jumped out here. He was right here at your left foot, right behind you.
Look at them right here. They're all see tree stump right there. Stop. Look at them all. Right there.
Yep.
See them?
See, they're coming up through this way too. They're going into the pipe. He's just right at your feet.
There's one right here. I'm looking at him right now.